Lenovo ThinkPad T16 Gen 8 Review. Honest truth about 4K AI laptop performance. Ever open your laptop for a critical presentation only to realize the screen's completely washed out in the conference room sunlight? Or try editing color-sensitive work on a display you can't trust? Here's a sharp fact. Most business laptops sacrifice display quality for durability, leaving professionals stuck choosing between portability and accurate visuals. The Lenovo ThinkPad T16 Gen 8 AI laptop changes that equation entirely, with its 16-inch 4K display hitting 800 nits brightness and 100% DCI P3 color coverage. That's not typical, that's transformative. Ready to see what you've been missing? Picture this. You're jumping between massive Excel spreadsheets, rendering a client presentation in real time, running virtual machines for software testing, and your laptop starts choking. Tabs freeze, fans scream, everything slows to a frustrating crawl. You close apps you actually need just to keep working, and that quiet pressure builds, the nagging worry that your hardware is the bottleneck holding back your actual potential. For data scientists, the problem gets worse. Training models means waiting for remote servers, eating hours of productive time. For video editors, scrubbing through 4K timelines becomes a stuttering nightmare. Architects watch complex 3D models lag during client walkthroughs. Even switching between Chrome, Slack, and a heavy IDE feels like wading through mud. You've tried lighter workflows and cloud workarounds, but they add friction and kill your flow. And here's the thing, you shouldn't have to compromise. Not anymore. There's a smarter path forward. Then, everything changed when Lenovo released the ThinkPad T16 Gen 8 AI laptop. Here's what actually works. Professional-grade power meets genuine upgradability in a design that doesn't feel like a compromise. Don't just pick any business laptop. Make sure it has true LPCAMM2 upgradable memory running at LPDDR5X7467 speeds, so you never experience the locked-in limitations and impossible upgrade paths everyone hates again. This isn't just another refresh. You're getting Intel's Core Ultra 9 285H with 16 cores that intelligently shift workloads between performance, efficiency, and low-power cores, meaning your battery lasts during emails but explodes into action when rendering or compiling code. The NVIDIA RTX 5070 with 8GB GDDR7 at 175 watts TGP delivers desktop-class graphics in a laptop chassis, handling everything from AI model training to real-time architectural visualization. That 4K display? It's not just sharp, it's 800 nits bright with 100% DCI P3 color, certified for HDR and Dolby Vision, meaning you edit photos outdoors and trust what you see. The dual Thunderbolt 5 ports deliver 80 gigabits per second bandwidth, connect dual 4K monitors and high-speed storage through one cable. The 4TB Gen 5 SSD loads projects instantly. 64 gigabytes of memory keeps everything running simultaneously without slowdown. One creative director told me she replaced her entire desktop setup with this single machine. Which breakthrough matters most to you? Here's what's happening in the real world. Enterprise IT directors are deploying these by the hundreds because vPro remote management and Opal 2.0 encrypted storage actually cut support costs. One verified customer running PyTorch models locally said training iterations dropped from 45 seconds to 20 seconds compared to his previous RTX 3070 Ti laptop. That's verifiable, measurable improvement. A tech publication editor tested it head-to-head against last year's ThinkPad P16 workstation and found the T16 Gen 8 matched or exceeded GPU performance while being noticeably lighter. An architect shared that Enscape real-time walkthroughs finally became smooth enough for impressive client presentations instead of embarrassing slideshows. Industry analysts note the LPCAMM2 memory is revolutionary. One IT team swapped a faulty module in minutes rather than replacing an entire motherboard like with soldered RAM. The 5-megapixel computer vision camera earned praise from remote teams for crystal-clear video quality. These aren't outliers, they're the new baseline. This is the reality. You get desktop-class performance, genuine upgradability, and professional-grade security in a laptop that doesn't compromise on any dimension that matters. Join thousands of engineers, creators, and enterprise professionals already relying on the Lenovo ThinkPad T16 Gen 8 AI laptop with Intel Ultra 9 285H, NVIDIA RTX 5070, and that stunning 4K 800 nit display for work that demands precision and power. I've dropped my link in the description and pinned it. Just click and see the full specs for yourself. No pressure, just the information you need to make the right call. You deserve hardware that actually keeps up.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.